If you are a man that every time you start to make progress, you fall back into your bad habits on a weekend, drinking, partying, smoking, staying up all night, I know exactly how you feel. Deep down, you know that you're destined for more. You know that you can do more. But you keep having these things that you go back to that keeps you behind. You see other people around you leveling up, and you wonder why you're not able to do that. I did all of that. Drinking all night, drinking until I blacked out, smoking, partying, all of it. It did nothing for me besides left me questioning myself every next morning after asking what I'd done the night before, because most of the time I wouldn't even remember. It would leave this question in my head: why do I keep doing this to myself? Why do you know the outcome, so why do you keep doing it to yourself? I would just keep saying, sometimes I'd even be in the club. I'd be in the club and I'd be saying to myself, why do I keep doing this? I know what the outcome's going to be. Why do I keep doing it? Why do I keep doing it? And then it wasn't until that one night I remember, I stayed up for 2 days that night. And I told myself, things are going to change. And I told myself that so many times, but I just knew this time it was different. I completely restructured my life, changed and got rid of my bad habits. I burned the boats. I knew that I was going to keep going back to them if I didn't burn the boats. I changed my habits, my daily routine, my environment, the people I hung around with, the people I spoke to, the things I did on a daily basis. I changed absolutely everything and changed into a whole new person. If anything I've said here today resonates with you, drop me a DM with the word rebuild on Instagram, and we'll see how we can put some structure into your life and knock out some of them bad habits and get you onto the right path. I'm in the best shape of my life now. That gives me no other option. Have a blessed day.